What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great and welcome to your daily market update. Something I've been doing for the last couple of days. I think it's quite valuable. Most of you seem to see the value in it as well. So yeah, let me know down in the comments if you'd like to see these more often, maybe daily. I can try to post them daily. I cannot promise anything, but still. And if you want to see some more, all right? Because what we'll talk about in this market update is some news regarding the Ethereum ETF and the delayment or the denial of which we'll talk about Bitcoin. Of course, we have to with this Bitcoin dominance. Most of the altcoins are so correlated and so dependent on Bitcoin that it's absolutely crucial. You know what's most likely to happen with Bitcoin. And then I'll show you which cryptos I think have potential right now. Now, again, and I've said this before, these cryptos having potential, it relies a lot on what Bitcoin does. All right, but I'll tell you which cryptos will probably rally the most if Bitcoin does something. And that's what we'll do. But let me know down in the comments if you'd like to see more in these videos. But for now, let's get right into it. So the first news we need to be talking about is obviously the Ethereum ETF, which will probably be denied or delayed. We're not sure yet, but Reuters says denied. What the SEC sometimes does is they leak some news like this to news agencies like Reuters so that people already start to get the idea in their head so that the actual denial will not have that much of an effect. Now, what we see in the markets right now is that there isn't that much of a bearish reaction from Bitcoin and Ethereum. So what does that mean? Is that this was already priced in. The market already expected the Ethereum ETF not to be passed, so I don't think this will have too much of an effect. And this actually does increase the bullish potential. I mean, if it will be accepted right now, we'll have a bull run for sure. It will probably not be, but you know what I mean, right? And the market expects that it will not be accepted. So if then there's a deviation from that expectation, then that will cause a lot of volatility. But not good, not bad, all right? In general, it will probably be somewhere later this year, I would say. Then if we look at Bitcoin at this moment, earlier we saw some sort of recovery, like in the last 4 hours, we've had some momentum from this support level we have at like 63,000, but we're not strong yet, all right? What we need to see is momentum to go up. And the momentum went up in the last 4 hours again, but it's not really doing anything. I mean, if you look at this, it's just moving sideways. All right, so that means that there's no momentum. And what we're seeing as well is that we had some spot buys coming in earlier this morning, but those are also dropping again. So when that's happening, and what's also true right now is that if you look at, for example, the volume in the markets, that's not amazing. And the volume that is there is mostly sell volume. So the most likely direction for Bitcoin is, in my opinion, still down. All right, now the next major support level is between 61 and 62,000. From there, we have a chance again, just like we had last time around. But I would say, unless we get some sort of a bullish breakout, for example, above 64,500 here, I would say it's most likely that we will drop down here. So I would not advise you, but personally, I am staying away from trading a lot right now. All right. Now, if Bitcoin does gain some momentum, and if Bitcoin does turn a little bit more bullish, there are certain cryptos that I think will do well. First of all, Memecoins still are quite strong. I mean, if you look at Memecoins, for example, and apart from that, also Wormhole, by the way. Wormhole right here, which is a Solana coin, relatively new, is consolidating here. If we break above 66 cents, while Bitcoin is relatively strong, I think this can do great. But apart from that, certain coins like Pepe was very strong again today, but also a coin like Bonk. The meme coins are doing quite well, all right? And you can also see that right here, meme coins like Bonk, Pepe, those are the strongest. But a meme coin like Boom, Book of Meme, is also doing relatively well. So keep your eyes. If Bitcoin gets a bullish breakout, I'm pretty sure that meme coins will be the first to rally with it. And then apart from that, there are some other coins. I mean, Phantom is doing relatively well right now. If that breaks above 78 cents with a relatively bullish Bitcoin, that could do some nice things. And that's about it. I mean, meme coins look good. But apart from that, Wormhole and Phantom are the only, and Litecoin a little bit, are the only cryptos that I think have potential at this moment when it comes down to serious cryptos that have potential if Bitcoin gets some bullish momentum. Because like I said, If you look at Bitcoin right now and the Bitcoin dominance, it's still so high, even though it has dropped down, but it is still so high that the market just really depends on Bitcoin. Now, lastly, and most importantly, on my second channel, Cilinix Crypto Reviews, I just posted a new airdrop guide. All right, this is a very new airdrop. Check out that video. It's this one, the Rhea airdrop guide. It's a very short tutorial, very easy to do, and there's a very high likelihood you'll get an airdrop. So check that out. All the links will be there as well. But for now, we covered the news, we covered Bitcoin, we covered cryptos that will rally if Bitcoin gets some bullish momentum, the best cryptos to trade, and a little bit of an announcement of an airdrop guide. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.